Okay, so we are back. It's my fit again. White clothing. This is straight Perry Ellis straight pants in white. Guess shirt. No, I don't wear expensive clothes. I just wear regular clothes. Okay. So we can have an unboxing video. Some cheap case I bought. Guess what this is? S24 Plus. So we have the Protect glass screen protector. I just get them for cheap. This is the star of the show. S24 Plus, 512 gigabyte. We're running out here. It's okay. Clean my hair. Okay. So we're gonna unbox this video. What's it? Onyx Black Samsung. Onyx Blacks. Here's the box. It's backward because it's a front-facing camera. It's gonna be backwards, but so here we go. Got 2 weeks to return this. So anyway, hopefully we like the S24 Plus because I didn't get the Ultra. So enough with the talking. We can unbox this. Woohoo! Interesting. This box. Ooh, very beautiful. Black. So dark inside. So we go to the front. For the back. It's beautiful. The back doesn't have nothing. Camera in the back. Front. Look how shiny that is. Okay, we're gonna put this protector on, or we put the box on. I don't know. Let's put the screen on. Let's take it out first. On glass protector. Cleaning kit. Oh, it's brand new, so it's going to be very clean. I don't think I even need to use scratch already, no? Is it scratch? Look like a scratch. It's cheap. What can I say? Press cross. Peel out the mask with this sticker. Peel out the mask. I don't know which way is which. I think this way is the phone. And if we were wrong, then we could put it back the other way. It's a brand new phone. I'm not even gonna use that because I don't like to use it. I don't know how to use it. Measure the phone. Oop, oop. It's not this way. Yeah, it's the clean way. See? It's actually this way. I'm sweating. Or the oil from my hair coming out. I don't know. This is only one way. And as this top and bottom is the same. Just gonna measure this by eye. And drop this in. There you go. Just drop it on the phone. Slide it down. Push the bubble out. It's almost good. See, almost good. I do this a lot so I can do by eye. So there you go. Got fingerprints already. But not on the phone. It's on the glass. It's okay on the glass. It's okay on the glass. I already put the protector. Now we're gonna put this box on. So why do I get a 24 plus? Because I went to the store, I see the Ultra and it's look very ugly. And I pick up this S24 and it's, wow, they made it better. Because I think whoever designed the 24 Ultra was lazy or something, and they didn't round up the corner. And they don't round up the corner, so the corner end up being sharp. And I think they fixed it in the later version. They fix the S24 to make it round. So doesn't matter, that's outside. So I'm gonna clean the inside of this. Just use a cheap case. I already bought a $1,000 phone. I wanna buy an expensive case. So this just make sure this phone doesn't break, and later I can get a new case. So here we go. This side, make sure this I put it in right. The camera go here. Bloom. Make sure this case doesn't break my phone. There you go. Brand new phone. Let's power it on so people can see. Where's the power button? It's not on. Maybe it's been sitting for too long. Okay, there's on. It's on. This is S24 Plus, 512 gigabytes. Yeah. Clean all the shit off my table. Oh, there you go. Oh, never mind. Just throw on the ground. Start English. Welcome. Agreed. Do you agree? Agreed to no. Optional. Agree to all optional. Don't select all. Select two. Okay. Don't send your data. Do you have an iPhone? I have an iPhone. Okay, start. It's popping up my tablet too. And then I'm gonna transfer. I don't know if I transfer this from my tablet or from my iPhone. I think my iPhone first. Or my tablets. I don't know. Okay, I start with the tablet and then go with iPhone. Okay, so this is it for the video, and I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna get the scanning going. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the video.